To stop your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra from vibrating when the sleep mode wake up alarm rings, you have to disable vibration within the wake up alarm setting. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap sleep. Tap turn on automatically. Next, tap the current schedule. Scroll down the screen and then tap the blue on off switch next to vibration until the switch turns gray to turn it off. Tap save button and then tap done button to save the change. With this setting, your phone will not vibrate when the wake up alarm of the sleep mode rings. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.